Good evening or good morning, wherever you are in the world, everyone. Just a little video here. Now, what I was about to do is sit down and look at Track CM, which has been staring at me for the last few months, which is it's a covered CD from Computer Music, and it has literally been just sat there for months without me looking at it. So I was like, okay, it's time to get this loaded up and make some beats for a jam I wanted to do on the Z1. But as I was loading this up, and I have loaded it up, but I still haven't tested it. I saw that one of the instruments that Computer Music give away is called, Thorn. Thorn. Yeah. And I hadn't looked at that yet. So I thought I'd have a look at that, install it and have a look at it. So what's after this is just me playing with a few of the patches. So you can hopefully hear what Thorn's all about. And if you haven't got it on your system, nip out and go and buy a copy of Computer Music, because it'll be on the disc. Happy days, along with a load of other instruments and effects. And you can literally everything you need to make computer music experiment, whatever your cup of tea is. All you need is one of these. Okay, all you need is one of these and a digital audio workstation. And I think that's it. You're set. The quality of what you can get on a magazine, and yeah, I know the magazine, it's free. Well, you have to pay for the magazine, right? Obviously. But the value for money is insane. So anyway, so here are some patches from the instrument on Computer Music, called Thorn. Am I pronouncing that right? Thorn, or is it Torn? I'm going to call it Thorn. There we go. Anyway, cheers. Alrighty, I've got my Thorn CM loaded up. I've also I tried out a couple of patches, and it was a bit pokey, so I just put a limiter in there. So I'm starting from the pads, because that's just my go-to place when I'm looking at a new instrument. This is called pad brass. Nice. Let's have a look at these duster. Okay. Evening Bell. That's nice. Floating. Yeah, that's usable. Flute is what it sounds like, a flute. It doesn't sound like a flute, but it's nice. Forge. Yeah, fuzzy brass. Yeah, it's fuzzy. Ghost keys. That's usable. It's just I'm just looking at the so we've got an oscillator 1, oscillator 2. I'm not sure what the harmonic filter is versus the filter. Well, there's a limiter, so maybe I didn't need my limiter, but there we go. And there appears to be some sequencing-ish action going on here. Oh, here we go. Some effects, an ARP section, mod matrix, so we can put things onto the mod wheel. Nice. Then why have we got two envelopes? sound. Oh, is one for that filter and one's for that filter possibly, and obviously the amp envelope. Let's just so that's, we've got quite fast attack, have we? Yeah, let's just play with that, give it a nice slow attack. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Let's bring everything down, give it quite a percussive sound. Yes, nice. Halo. Crikey. Filter. Yes, that's nice. Highlander. There can be only one Highlander patch, and there is. Oh, that's nice. Infinite. Loads of release. Keys. Nice. These are a bit wet, aren't they? All these presets. But presets I tend to find are generally people program presets to sound as good as they can, so they're generally washing in kind of all loads of reverb and delay. But I can probably, yeah, so if we knock off the delay, do I just press that? Yeah, knock off the reverb. See, this is a nice user experience. Thank you, Thorn. Can you hear my clicky keyboard? Yes. Put the reverb back in. Can we have a monster reverb? Plate. Here we go. Plate. Lots of plates. Spinning plates. Space 2 with loads. Okay. Lively pad. Yeah, big rich pad. Ooh, that's nice. Alright then. Let's have a look at some of these sequenced ones. Glitch vexed. Oh yeah, hello. Now that's probably pulling it from my tempo that's set at 120 BPM. I can prob glitch sequence, speed, steps, sync to the key. Okay, it's probably taken its clock from the project's BPM. It must be. It must be. Yeah, that's hey. These are awesome fun. Squeaky chair. Follower. These are awesome. Instant dance music. Wow. Kind of Doctor Who-y. Oh, these are awesome. These are awesome. Lead. Oh, some nice plucky effects. Autumn pluck. Nice. I do like a plucky sound. Oh, there's some good stuff here. Yes, there is some. There's loads of bass patches. Let's take a erosion. That sounds nice. Sounds a bit like a weird saxophone. Flashlight. I got a patch on my Z1 called Flashlight. Ignite. Wow. Oh, that's nice. Let's take the attack out of that. Hang on. You want to hear them? Okay, this is going to be ages if I just go through all these. Anyway, this is me playing with Thorn, which is a new plugin for me. All you guys out there, you've probably already got this. Anyway, thank you Thorn, thank you Computer Music for supplying us an awesome plugin on your CD, and thank you Dimitri. I'm obviously not pronouncing that properly. She says anyway, Dimitri, I guess you wrote this, Thorn, so thank you. I am loving it, as they say in fast food adverts. Okay, come on, let's stop this rubbish.